how to use Facebook marketing. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can use Facebook for marketing and to promote your business. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to facebook.com. If you do not have a Facebook account, then you will simply sign up for Facebook with your email address and set up a password. If you're watching this video, I assume that you already have a Facebook account because most of the people do have a Facebook account. So you can simply log in to your Facebook account with your email and with your password. So now you might be wondering how to use Facebook for marketing. You have created a new business. Maybe you are a beginner and you want to, promote your business on Facebook. So today I will show you that what are the different features and tools available on Facebook now that really help us to promote our business and to do a professional marketing on Facebook. So what I want you to do is you will simply go to pages right here because with Facebook now, what happens is you have created an account, a personal account. What I am showing you right now, this is a personal account. This is not a business account. You don't need any business account. You don't need anything. You don't need to kind of like create a complicated account. It's a simple personal account that you have. We get our own business suite, we get our own marketing account, we also get our marketplace, and we get our creator studio within Facebook now that comes with our personal account. So that is actually pretty amazing. So now because you want to promote a business, you will need to select a business. So to create a business page, if you do not have any page, you will simply click right here, create a new page, and then you will create a page for your business, whatever you are doing. So let's say I want to promote my this business right here, this page. So I will simply click right here and I will open it up. When I will open it up, now this is the business that I want to promote and this is the business I want to do marketing for. So I'm going to show you all of the tools that we get. So when it comes to marketing, what we can do, we can promote our business. So you can see right here, this is the page. This is like a very basic page that I have created for a video purpose as well. So this is the page I have and I want to promote it. So first of all, what I want you to do is just check this out. We have our own Meta business suite. So this is actually amazing. We have our own resources and tools. We have Insight, and then we have our ad center. This is where most of the marketing happens because we want to run ads, we want to create marketing campaigns, and you will find the option of promote right here. Simply click on promote, and I will be promoting and I will be creating a campaign for my business. So you can see right here, now I have two options. I have get started with automated ads, and then we have create a new ad. Ad is one of the best ways and easiest ways to promote your business and to do marketing. And then we also have our Meta business suite. So let me also show you a business suite that we get with Facebook because it will have all the tools, and this is where we learn about Facebook marketing. So you can see right here we have our own business.facebook.com. So if you're wondering that without creating a personal account on Facebook, can you use Facebook business? Well, you cannot. So you will require a personal account, a page, and then you will simply get your own suite. So this is where we work with. When you will be creating a business on Facebook, you will notice you will be spending most of the time in the business suite. So we have the home option, we have notification, post and stories, planner, ads, insights, all tools. If I go to all tools, it will open up more tools for me. And right here we have the engage audience, we have manage, we have advertise, add, and ad manager. So we also have an ad manager. Let's open up ad manager as well. I will show you everything, all the tools that we get on Facebook, so you will have a better idea that what you can do with Facebook when it comes to business, when it comes to marketing. So we have a post, we have ad right here. So let's create an ad and let me show you how you create an ad on Facebook. So simply click on create ad now, choose a goal, get started with automated ads, get more leads, promote your page, get more website visitors, get more messages. So all of these, actually the goal, the main goal for all of these is marketing, right? We want to promote. I also want to get more visitors. This is for sales, like if you want to get more leads. so you want to get more emails. So this is what we can do. So for video purpose, let's go to simple promote my page option, and then it will allow me to create an ad to promote my business, and it will be, my marketing that I will be doing on Facebook. So this is what my page looks like. You can see right here, ad create, how do you want to add to looks. It's a review for my ad, that this is what it will look like. So I have to add all of the information. Let me show you. So the description for the ad is headphones and more. This is the description for my page, and this was like, very random description. So you will simply, add a good description for your ad right here. Let's just write the word headphones for now. This is the image for my page, so I'm gonna go with the same image. If you want to change the image, you can simply go ahead and do that. You have the edit options right here that will allow you to edit the images or a video if you have added right here. You can upload new, you can crop image, you can choose an image or choose a video. After that, we have the special ad category. So if you want to go for a special ad category, for example, socially issues, or it's a ad for politics, then you can simply select that as well. Then we have the audience. In audience, we have who should see your ad. So here we can add our audience. So this is actually pretty amazing that we can edit our audience on Facebook. This really helps us to target the audience we want to target. So let's say these accessories are for all, and I would actually go to 15 to 65. Okay, so you can see right here, this is what my headphones are for. You can use it from the age of, let's go with 60. So this is actually pretty amazing. So all of the people on Facebook between 16 to 60, I will be able to target them. Then we have the location. I can actually target with location. So let's say I want to target audience, maybe my business is in US, so I will actually target the audience in US, of course, because I don't want people to kind of like buy my headphones where I won't be able to deliver them. So what you have to do is you will simply add location right here, and you can simply add any location you want to. You can add your city, you can also add your town if you want to. So it totally depends on us. Facebook has a lot of different options for us to choose from, so that we can create a professional email marketing campaigns, or we can run ads. So when it comes to audience, we will simply click right here. Then you can see right here, this is the estimate people. So I will be able to reach around about 300 people with this. But if I want to kind of like increase the location and I kind of like go global, then of course I will be able to reach millions of people at the same time. Then we have the schedule and duration. You will simply add the duration, when your ad will be run, for how many days, what's the end date, and of course then we have the budget. You can see if you increase your budget, you will be able to reach more and more people. So this is round about maybe $10. So what happens is that you can actually reach up to 1,000 people with just $10. So this is actually pretty amazing, and the payment method is given right here. So this is like the basic how you can create an ad on Facebook, and then you will be able to promote your business. Let me also show you the ad manager, where you will be able to you kind of like manage your ads and different campaigns. This is also where you will be spending most of your time, because when it comes to marketing, you have to create different campaigns. To create a new campaign, you simply click right here on the campaign option, and then you can create different campaigns for your marketing, and you can add different options. You can also do automation that will help you create automated campaigns, and you will be able to run a successful business. So you can see right here, you have to select campaign type. You can simply go with lead generation, or views, or engagement, traffic. You simply click right here, and then you continue. This is the type of campaign I want to create. I want to go for traffic, and then you simply you can all create your campaign with different details. You have to add the category type, you have to add the details right here, and then you will also set the audience. You can also add the ads that you have created into a campaign to create a professional campaign with a lot of different ads for people to kind of like compare, and then you will be able to promote your business. We can also create A/B split testing on Facebook. This is actually pretty amazing what happens is, let me actually show you. If we go to more right here, you can see right here we have the option of A/B split testing right here. So what happens in A/B split testing is that we can actually run two ads at the same time. We have an ad one and then we have ad two, and we create a campaign with both of these ads running at the same time, and then we compare their results. We compare how did each test do, and then we kind of like get our results, and we have a better idea which of the ad will do better for us. So this is how Facebook really helps you with everything. You don't have to now create account on any other marketing platform when you have your own ad manager and you have your own Meta business suite on Facebook. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how you can promote your business on Facebook, how to do Facebook marketing. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.